What's up guys, this is Alex. This is my first video and I'm going to show you how I built my first PC. But now I will go over my PC parts. Starting with the processor, I'm using the Intel Skylake i5 6500 quad-core CPU that clocked at 3.2 GHz, which can turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz. As for the motherboard, I'll be using Gigabyte B150M-D3H DDR4 micro ATX board. It supports dual channel DDR4 RAM. It also comes with M2 connector with up to 32 gigabits data transfer PCI, SATA Express connector for up to 16 gigabits data transfer. Storage, I'll be using a single SSD from Toshiba, which is OZZ Trion 150 240 GB model, which has the transfer speed of more than 500 megabits. Next is the power supply. Seasonic M122 Evo Edition with 80 plus bronze certified. It's a fully modular power supply, so I just need to plug in the cable that I needed. Good for cable management. RAM, I just use a simple 8GB from Kingston, no fancy heatsink. The most important and the most expensive part of the build, the graphic cards. Palit GTX 1070, yes, this is a 1070. Dual fan model that comes with 8GB of GDDR5 VRAM. The clock speed is same as the Founders Edition, base clock at 1506 MHz. Boost clock at 1683 MHz. Casing, I will choose Corsair 100R mid-tower casing that come with windows that can show off my 1070. I also include a pair of speakers from Edifier 2.1 system, nothing fancy also. Lastly, the monitor I ordered online from Korea. The model is QNIX QX2710 Evolution 2. It's a 27-inch with 2560 by 1440 Quad HD monitor. It's a 60Hz monitor, but which can overclock up to 120 Hz refresh rate. So sit tight and wait for my next unboxing and the PC build video. And finally, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel for more exciting video coming in future. So see you at the next video. Peace out.